What's up? Good morning. Come down from the tree. Life is not V and V is not life. Life is not motsetserep and motsetserep is not life. Some of us, out of a humble heart, we've helped a lot many, especially Bomotsetserep. Like they were known on Facebook, but we took them to YouTube after But what they need to know and what they need to really learn and understand, get character, good character. Some of our performing artists, or so to say comedians, or some of our what do you call it in Tswana, badiragatsi, habana setho, habana botho. So this is the thing to go with it. Take setho with you, a good character, acceptable attitude, take it with you. Because what is it that you are doing without character? Without character, what you are doing, it's going to come all down on you, crumbling on you. So what am I saying? Say 1 million views. Well, 1 million views for us on YouTube by the grace of God. We have reached over 5 million views on YouTube, but we don't go about boasting on it. Stay humble, remain humble. And also, one thing you should teach these young folks is this one thing. One thing you should teach these young folks: humbleness. And in whatsoever that you are doing or excelling, engage, involve God. Then you will go far. One thing we must teach these folks, because you don't stay the same to be that comedian you are. No matter how much of an expert you are in whatsoever you are doing, be it that you are a comedian or you are an artist, there's always someone who's coming. So they will do their craft much better than you. So you need to upgrade, improve your craft. And also, one thing, our comedians or badiragatsi baron, skolong, even if it is a short course, ise skolong, because you don't have to take your life for granted. Education is not success, but rather education helps you get the success you need. Have something to fall back on, not just your talent. So skolong. Thank you so much. I think for those who would quote me out of context, I'm not jealous. I'm not. That's me. We help people unleash what is hidden in them. So seriously, upgrade you don't always have to be having someone who gets to be your translator about you. So skolong, not just management this, management that, strategic this, strategic that, skolong, and our arts will grow, like really grow. Thank you so much and congratulations. Good luck to all of you. All the best and blessings. My name is Kim Christ, your brother in Christ and prayer partner. I'm out. Thank you.